Trace along the maze using different colors and find them. Page 8. 3 Little Pigs. Listen and enjoy this story.
Once there were 3 little pigs, Sonu, Monu and Gonu. Sonu lived in a house of straw. Monu lived in a house of sticks. And Gonu lived in a house of bricks.
One day, a big bad wolf came to Sonu's house. He said,
I will huff and puff. I will blow your house down.
So he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. Sonu ran to Monu's house. The wolf came to Monu's house. He said,
I will huff and puff, and I will blow your house down.
So he huffed and he puffed and he blew Monu's house down. Page 9. Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house. The wolf came to Gonu's house. He said,
I will huff and puff, and I will blow your house down.
So he huffed and he puffed, but he could not blow the brick house down. It was very strong. The wolf went away, and Sonu, Monu, and Gonu lived happily together in the red brick house.
New words that we learned from this story.
And
Bad,
big,
but,
not,
one,
pig,
the.
was.
Now let's read.
The wolf was big and bad.
The pig was not big.
Page 10. Reading is fun.
How many pigs were there?
What did the big wolf say to the pigs?
Let's talk.
Was the wolf good or bad?
What is your house made of?
Let's share.
Who is good?
Who is bad?
Here you can see picture of a pig wearing a red t-shirt and green pants. He is smiling happily. And then there is a picture of a wolf standing upright with his arms folded, with his gruesome tail and his teeth outside.
Let's act.
Imagine you are at home when the wolf huffs and puffs.
Act out the story of the wolf and 3 pigs. Page 11. Say aloud.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5.
6.
Now let's draw.
Join the dots from 1 to 10 to make the house. Then color the picture.
Here you can see a half-made house with some windows and doors and a chimney showing with some lines. But then you have to connect the dots from 1 to 10 to make the house.
Page 12. There are farm animals, water animals, and jungle animals in this picture. Help the animals reach their homes. Draw lines.
Here you can see picture of a horse, a hen, a dog, a crocodile, a frog, a bear, and a buffalo. And then there is a picture of a farm with a cow and a goat. You can see apple trees behind.
Page 13.
Here you can see picture of a cow, a monkey, a giraffe, and a rhinoceros.
And here you can see a picture of a jungle with a lion standing alone.
Also, you can see a picture of a pond with some flowers, fishes, and shrubs around.
And now let's sing.
Bow wow, says the dog. Mew mew, says the cat. Bleat bleat, says the goat. Roar roar, says the lion. Hello hello, says the child.
Page 14. Poem A Happy Child. Story Three Little Pigs. Teacher's Pages. Unit 1. The emphasis in this book is on developing language skills by using the mother tongue in the initial stages. The teacher's encouragement and motivation are very important. Children are curious and love to try things in their own little ways. Do not correct their mistakes. Focus on the process of learning and remember that the child needs to be given activities that are exciting and stimulating.
The first unit is about introducing the child to a process of learning, following the concept from near to far. Allow them to talk and help them to express their thoughts by use of their mother tongue, visuals, pictures, sketches, single word questions and answers. As you introduce the text, both the poem and the story, encourage all the children to participate.
Develop listening skills. Read the poem, story aloud to the children. Read it with emphasis on clear speech and correct pauses, add commas and full stops.
Develop pronunciation. Let the children read aloud after you. Make them repeat. Blow, flow, glow. Brick, kick, stick. Huff, puff, stuff.
Exposure to language. Use sight words in the classroom by putting visuals and cue cards. Let children read these. B-A-D, bad. S-A-D, sad. B-E-D, bed. R-E-D, red. B-I-G, big. D-I-G, dig. C-O-T, cot. H-O-T, hot. B-U-N, bun. S-U-N, sun.
Develop speaking skills. 1. Encourage children to walk and jump like different animals. Let them make the sound of huff, puff, etc. with force. 2. Write two-letter words on the blackboard such as am, he, in, is, it, me, my, so, and start a contextual conversation by saying, she is a girl. I am a teacher. Please give me a pencil. He is a boy. You are so far away. It is a warm or cold day, etc. Provide opportunities to children for working and playing together in small groups.
Page 15.
It will promote interaction, togetherness, and team spirit besides encouragement for natural expressions.
3. Conversation based on role play. Divide your class into 4 groups: red, yellow, blue, green. Let each group make a house. Red, a hut. blue. A flat. Yellow, a bungalow. Green, an igloo. Red and blue groups have to talk about all the objects in their houses. Yellow and green groups have to talk about objects around their houses. Method. Each group uses low-cost waste material, as for example, newspapers, cardboard, grass, leaves, matchsticks, etc. to draw, sketch, construct, or act out a scene from their house. Material required: boxes, old cartons for collecting leaves, twigs, pencils, spoons, beads, string, etc.
Develop writing skills or fine motor coordination. Writing needs practice before it becomes spontaneous and neat. In making the strokes, show the child how to hold the pencil and use it safely. Encourage children to make different patterns or basic strokes by drawing them on the blackboard. Slate paper. Put 2-letter and 3-letter words on flashcards and show them to the children. Let them recognize the words.
Raising awareness. Talk about turning of taps and not wasting water.